Well, it's Tune Up Tuesday, and this morning we have some easy do-it-yourself projects to prepare your home inside and out. Here to help from Kristy Kay Home Design is Kristy Kay herself, and you can find all the products and tips that Kristy will be sharing by scanning the QR code on the bottom of your screen there. So good morning, Kristy. How are you?
Good morning. Nice to see you guys again.
You too. So one thing I find is so expensive and it never holds up is outdoor furniture. But for wood furniture, you have a recommendation.
Yes. It's not only rain and snow that can affect the wood on your furniture. It's also the sun. So by putting this protective layer, you paint it on just like, almost like a water solution. It seals the wood. And so it protects that over time because as the sun dries the wood out, you can get splinters or worse, cracks. So this is such an easy way to protect your investment.
Can you do it if you've had the chair for a while, or does it you have to do it right when you get it?
That's a good question.
Ideally, you would do it initially, but it's always a good time.
That's right.
You want to do it maybe once a year.
Sand it down, yeah.
If it's not new, yes, you can sand it down, and that just gets more of the original wood layer. And, you want to make sure it's free of any debris and also not in direct sunlight. So do it on a cloudy day.
Okay. It's not like I've actually done that. I just know.
Yeah, you just know that's what you should do.
Kristy, when it comes to our yards, weeds can be a real pain. What's the solution to keeping them away?
So edging is a great way. Not only does it create a really manicured look along your grass line, but it creates a root barrier for that grass and also weeds, keeping it out of your garden beds or your landscaping. It's also really fun. Get the kids out there. So I'm so lucky. My daughter, Alex, loves to do it. It's like a pogo stick, she said.
That's funny.
So let's stay in the yard for a minute here. When our plants start to bloom, hard to keep the insects away a lot of times. You've got an all-natural hack that we can make right at home, I understand. What is it?
We do. It's so easy. A quart of water and some mild Castile soap in a spray bottle. Squirt this on. I do mine every couple days or after a big rainstorm for sure. And also a super easy trick is insects hate essential oils. So I used a lavender soap and put a couple drops of a lavender essential oil in there. And it does a few things. It keeps mosquitoes away, and it protects against other insects. So spraying those shrubs down maybe on your patio before you eat outside at night smells great and keeps the mosquitoes away.
That's such a helpful tip. And if you want to add some drama to your outdoor space, you say these solar lights will do the trick?
These are amazing. So all of them are adjustable and waterproof. So this one here is a spotlight, and the solar panel can rotate depending on where the best angle for the sun is. And I love putting trees in planters. So the flowers at the base can hide the solar panel and the light itself, but then in the evening create some great dramatic uplighting.
That's nice.
That looks professional.
And it's also a safety feature too. This model here can be screwed in directly to your deck or your stair lights. And at night, create a really nice, safe way to see where those stairs are.
It's pretty. So you can see where you're going. All right, let's move indoors now. And I feel like, the first time you turn the AC unit on, dust just flies all over the place. How do we prevent that?
So it's always a great idea to vacuum out those registers, but replacing your air filter is crucial. So you want to do this maybe 3 times a year. And it's super simple. You pop out your old dirty dust filter and pop in the new one. It takes less than a minute. They range in size, so you really want to check which filter you have first that comes out of your main system. And over the last year, we've really been doing a lot of home projects. If there's been any kind of construction in the house, you want to replace this even more frequently to get that sawdust and dirt out of the air.
Good advice.
Forget about
Great tips.
Awesome. Kristy, thank you so much. And remember, you can find these products on today.com/shop.